Good morning, class. Today I'm going to practice some folding with you because it was laundry day. And I already sorted all of my laundry, which I know you're very good at because you practiced last week, and also there was a lot, so I took care of it myself. So I'm going to practice some folding with you today, which I have some of my towels, some of my kitchen towels, and some pillowcases to practice folding with you. I know you're working on folding this week, so hopefully you can help me. First, we're going to count. We have one towel. We have some washcloths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Good counting. We have a couple pillowcases. We have 1. I started to fold that in half, and 2. We'll do these first. All right, folded it in half already. So I'm going to fold it again. Sometimes I like to use my lap or a table. That helps. Sometimes you like to use boards. And in half again. And then it's all done. This one. Do that. And you can see, right? And in half again. Perfect. Leave those there. And let's take our towel. These are kind of like the towels we fold in class. Put it down here. Fold it in half. And in half again. Good job. Alright. And let's take one. Now we have a nice little surface here. Go in half. And in half. That's good. And here, half, and half, just like that. It's all ready. And one more. And in half, so it's going to look like that. And half again. And last one. This one's going to be a rag. And in half, like that. And half again. And there's our nice, fresh, folded pile. Thank you for helping. I hope you got some practice from this. Have a great day.